is almost 8 o'clock here on the farm, and we're going to go do a last-minute check on the animals and make sure they're alright. And I don't know if my dad's gotten eggs yet, if anybody's gotten eggs yet today, so we might also go do that. Sorry, one fell. And I'm in my PJs already, so. Yes, I know. I'm in PJs at 8 o'clock. But I also have VOGs tomorrow and Tuesday, so we're going ahead and getting ready. So the chickens aren't going to be put up yet. Oh, and I didn't get to introduce you to this queen earlier. I didn't know where she was. She is the queen in all her glory. I mean, she is 96 years old in cat years. I don't remember if I cut off before I said that, but she is 96 years old in cat years. She's an old soul, I tell you guys. I mean, she's just an old soul, and she's a sweetheart, though. The little goats seem to look just fine today. We'll give you a little looky-looky. They are just fine and dandy. That's true, but I think my parents moved the big goats because they kept getting tangled. So, we're going to go see if that's true. Yeah. I think they did. Look at Granny, he's so freaking cute. Look at him. He's so little. He's just a little baby. Where's Jimmy? Where? I don't know where Jimmy is. Oh, okay. I don't know. Dad? Check on Bonnie. She fell and fell really bad, and now she's limping. So she's trying to take off pressure off one of them feet. I saw her fall, and it was pretty hard. Hey, look at Jimmy. Our goats are stupid. Been over a lot for no reason. I don't get the point behind it. Goats are just like humans. We got one that's not tied up because it's a baby and it's just with his mama all the time, and he's not tied up, and he just rubs it in that he's not tied up. He just runs around. You guys get to go see us feed the pigs today. Farm stand beginning, making. I want to feed the pigs. So let's ride. Take regular cornmeal, and we take scraps. So we take a 5-gallon bucket of cornmeal stuff, and then whatever scraps are from leftovers and dinner. So some chicken nuggets that my cousin didn't eat, and some leftovers from 2 or 3 nights ago that nobody's gonna eat, or a week ago that nobody's gonna eat. We just give it all to the pigs. So it really works out. But my hair looks crazy because I got out of the shower and I didn't wash it because I washed it earlier today, but I needed to take another shower because of how much I sweated. Look at them. My goodness. I will catch up with y'all when we go down to the pigs. On the way down to the pigs, and I will show you exactly where we keep them and what their names are. If I can, because of one of them, I tell it by the spot on their feet, and if they've been in the mud lately, then I can't tell the difference in them. Sometimes. Sometimes I can find something that I can remember that's the exact same. A bit of a tobacco. I bought a hanging basket, or we got a hanging basket to put a flower in, and it's just that one right there. It's they got the stars on it. It's too heavy, and it bends that thing right there. And it is too heavy, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to get it fixed. Figured it out. I think they nailed it and stringed it together so it would stay up. It looks good. I like it. Piggies! Piggies! tell you, they got all this mud, more than usual, and they're trying to get in the water thing. I don't know, maybe they had the itch, and maybe they had an itch, and just scratching on a tree wasn't doing it. They had to scratch on the little nipples of the thingy.
Did they bust it?
There they are.
Here, you want to give them these chips?
Sure. There we go. That'll work. Fine and dandy. Chippies first. Here, guys. Chippies. Chippies for the piggies. And they got like egg macaroni salad or something. Ugh. Y'all are weird, man. I don't know how you guys would eat that. And then we got strawberries, corn casserole, chicken nuggets, and baked rice on the meal today. Oops, I forgot. I didn't know you were moving that over here. They're on the right one today. Alright, we'll put all the food in there. Let's watch me. Okay, so the big one right there is Pumbaa. That one that's over there is pork chop. Come here. And then I think this one's Kristen. I think this one's Kristen, and that one right there is Shalonda. So pork chop, Kristen, Shalonda, Pumbaa. I think. It's hard to tell the difference when they're muddy. What they root up? They rooted those up? They rooted up 3 pence posts. They dug up 3 fence posts. Oh no, we can use them for something. My dad's over there getting all the stuff that they've messed with and rooted up at the ground. How long have we had these?
2 months of them?
I think we had them 2 months. Yeah. I think we got them when I was on Trailblazer break, didn't we? No, it was like a teacher work day because I was off Monday and Tuesday, and we got them on like a Monday or something. Because one day we got to went to get the pigs, and then the next day we went to the bread store and got a whole bunch of bread. You can get day old bread from the bread store from pretty cheap, and all my animals like them, so. Except them, like, they're not a big fan of it. I don't know.
Some would be nice.
You guys want some pig ASMR? Sorry, guys. Be nice. It's not food. I think they think it's food. Look. Maybe like piggy ASMR. I don't know if it was good ASMR though. We tried. Right, Mom?
Right.
We tried to do good ASMR, right?
We tried.
Yeah. She said we tried our best. But because pigs will eat just about anything, they're trying to eat my fingers or my microphone. So, I think I just knocked that off. I'm gonna go grab it. I just knocked the chip baggie off. So we're just gonna throw this back in here. Who has been in the food bucket? I wonder who has been in that food bucket.
Yes? Sure, hang on.
We're moving to go cut off the electric fence for my father. How do we do this?
Okay. Okay. No, just.
Do you guys want me to post every day of us feeding the pigs and what we're feeding them? I don't know, tell me. I can do it. I'm pretty much down here every day. It's a bug. What kind of bug is that? I think it was a gnat. I hate gnats. If there was any water in that thing, they just knocked it over, so. They're so smart.
What, his collar? I've got a new one. I'll go get it. I've got chain ones on the table at the house.
We have an escape on us on our hands. Do you guys remember me telling you about Jimmy? Jimmy escaped. Ryan.
Jimmy escaped. He broke the collar.
Yep. So.
Ryan's got him though. We just need to go up and take a new collar.
She just explained it for me, so that works out.
Yeah, they just came in today from Amazon. They're leather and chain.
Might be a little harder to break.
They're for goats.
Not for small dogs.
Listen, Linda.
She ordered the other ones off Temu, and I think they've already broken 2 of them. You can tell which ones have been in the food thing by this. Who has been in the food thing? I wonder who, Pork Chop.
Pregnant.
Who's Blaine and Megan?
Will's buddy Blaine.
Oh, yeah. Some trash. Evening we're going fishing, so watch out for that video. 100%. It'll be there. Our pigs are so crazy. Do we need to turn the electric fence back on? Daddy, do you want us to turn the electric fence back on? Oh, Father! No answer. Hope I turn it back on. I don't know. Oh, now Pim was in. This is how you know. So he just went in that. I don't know if he's gonna see. He's got it all over his nose. Rare sight of my pawpaw. Crazy piggy. Eating scraps. They're eating stuff like grubs and stuff from the mud. If they're not doing that, then they're in the food thing. They're always eating something. Or they're sleeping. pigs eat, sleep, and play. Because when they get the zoomies, it's so funny. They just run and run and run and run and run and run and run. Circles. I don't know where he went. Daddy, where you go? Oh. Why? Is there something wrong with the electric fence? I don't know. Do you like the names of our pigs?
Sure, I don't know about Shalonda, but
What's wrong with Shalonda?
I just don't know where it came from. But...
It came out of my brain.
Oh, okay, then it's great then. I love them all.
Thank you.
You're playing with it since it's not on, huh? I bet you won't do that in a little bit. Pumbaa's up here testing it out while it's off. Turn it on.
Oops.
Are you done with it? Yes. Pumbaa, no. I guess so.
I heard it ticking. Yeah, he got some. I think he was trying to eat it. Pigs are big backs, man.
Got what?
I don't know. I just heard like a small, like it was like a normal tick. Like, I don't know, normal. Oh, look. Bubbles coming down here. Look at him. You see him? You see him? Ooh, I got a sighting of the pawpaw. Did you come bearing scraps? I think he came bearing scraps. Did you come bearing scraps?
He said, did you come bearing scraps? Oh, we said scraps.
No, not scraps. Oops. Why didn't you bring him eggs, Papa? Pumbaa was expecting his eggs. My pawpaw raises quail, and when they crack or something, because they're really fragile, I'll take them down to the pigs. Now I gotta go get collars for the goats. Hey, Papa. When do you think the blackberries will blackberry eyes? A month? That's a long time. I know. I said June, but I wish it was earlier. Oh, it's gonna be a warm weekend. Yeah, I was thinking that when I was down here. I was trying to like decide where the plants were, which ones are plants and which ones are just weeds.
Deer prints all in here, falling down here eating her down.
Yeah, we need a handful more. I'll see you back at the house. Are you gonna relight the fire? It's just smoldering. Oh, it hurts my nose. What time is it?
8:27.
A lot there. A lot of wood there.
that off. Yeah. Sorry. My bad. I'm being Ubered. Sorry, my flash was turned on. So I'm being currently Ubered around right now. Did he break his collar?
No, he's not. I said, damn it, Jimmy's up there.
Yeah, he broke his collar. Alright,
Yeah, I
we'll
had
go
to-
get in your collar.
Tis. Right, your sighting right there.
We gotta go get another collar. We'll be back.
Yeah, it is. Aw, look at them babies. So sweet and harmless. They would never hurt a soul. Yeah, he has tried to headbutt me a couple times. Twice or 3 times. I think it was 3 times. One time it was very playful, and the other 2 times it was because I had his woman. So you need to go put the chickens up. Have you checked eggs? I know I haven't. I'm too short to reach it. I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy. Let's get it. Where's Mom? What did you put in the back of the car? Oh, that's what's splashing around. Ooh, pretty.
They're good colors.
Make me rich, so I can buy gold today. That is splooshing everywhere.
I didn't realize she was that loud.
I think it's just like in the last couple of weeks, it's just got like.
I've literally been telling y'all that. I have been telling y'all that. That she's been getting big. She's getting big back. What is she doing? Oh, she watered the plants.
Baby's about to get a shower back there.
I already took one. I don't need 3 showers in one day. 2 showers is reasonable. 1 shower is normal. 2 is reasonable. 3 is just crazy. Look at that baby.
Where's his
Ooh, he looks good in that collar. Bonnie, what are you eating? Clover?
Ranger. It's our goes.
Ranger said, I'm a big kid now. He said, I'm more sophisticated than all of y'all. I ain't gotta have a collar.
He yanked the whole hook off of it.
Let me see.
It's got this,
It's
but he
got,
yanked the little piece that you hook the clip onto.
wait, let me see. What do you mean?
You know where the little round thing that the clip hooks onto? The little metal piece
Oh,
is gone.
what did he do? Clyde. Bonnie. Ranger. Jimmy. Jimmy's so stupid. Mama!
I just saw him land on his
Give me your
back.
input. No input? Okay.
Oh, the trailer house.
It is 8:39. And we're gonna make a Shirley Temple, so. I don't know how to zip that up. We're gonna make a Shirley Temple, so first let's get some ice. My dad's gonna make an old fashioned, so I'm gonna set out his glass for him too. I'm gonna use this little flower cup that I got from Dollar General last year. So let's go ahead and fill this up with some ice. I'm gonna use room temperature Sprite because we didn't have any in the refrigerator. That was crisp. I'm gonna fill it up to however that you like. I use a certain couple cups. And I have some grenadine here. So. Everybody has their own preferences. So. We're gonna use this little straw right here, mix her up. This is so good. Put this stuff back in the fridge. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to have this and a sugar cookie before bed tonight. I'm going to have this. I hope you guys have a fantabulous rest of your night, day, whatever time of day it is when you are watching this. Bye!
He acts like he's rubbing it in.